Yeah, guys. So, what I'm going to be doing in this video is showing you the most important thing in hotshot trucking. If you can't book loads, then you can't make any money. And you have to have the confidence to be able to book loads. And it's hard to be confident in something that you might not have ever done before. So, I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough of truckstop.com quickly because it's nighttime. I'm not going to actually book a load. I'm just going to show you as if I was going to book a load and how to read it. Because tomorrow morning, when I actually book a load, I'm going to film it and you're going to see me talk to actual brokers and possibly negotiate a load. I might not get a load either. I'm in Denver, Colorado. So let's get into my truck stop app. I'll show it to you. I'm going to screen record. Let me screen record so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm a literal idiot, okay? I just screen recorded this whole video you're about to watch on my phone. And I thought I had the camera recording, this camera, but it wasn't. So now it's going to be a worse quality video, but I'm not going to reshoot it because I think I said what I wanted to say well, and you guys are going to really understand how to book loads and how to use truckstop.com on your phone. And so I apologize. It won't happen again. I'll turn on the camera so I can get you more engaging videos. All right, so this app right here on the left-hand side, okay, that's the Truck Stop app. So I don't have an affiliate link or anything for this yet. I don't get any commission, but it's such a crucial part of your day. You're gonna need to know it, and there's just no way I shouldn't make a video about this. So it's open, right? So begin new load search. Let's just begin a new load search. Let's start from the beginning. Origin, I'm in Denver, Colorado. You just go to city, type in Denver, Colorado, and it will populate. It'll populate cities, because if you put in Springfield, it's gonna have Springfield for every freaking state. Anyways, this plus 125 right next to the word Denver, Colorado, click that. You can set your search radius, okay? So if you know that it's 12 o'clock noon, you can't drive 5 hours a deadhead to get a good load. You only really have 3 hours to get there. So it takes, that 200 miles usually takes you about three hours. So just set it to 200 miles. Normally have that set on 300 at the beginning of the day, 350 even. Then for the destination, you can click anywhere. Honestly, that's the best way to make money, is just put anywhere and then find the best paying loads going anywhere and then take it. And then once you get there, you might be in the middle of nowhere, but you might get lucky again because everybody else is thinking, I don't want to go there. But those are where the oil fields are. So in Montana, Middle Texas, you don't know. So the person who just keeps on just booking the best load, they're going to win at the end of the day. Everybody will have different opinions about that. Let's go to the filters up top. Okay, let's go to the dates. I'm just going to set it for tomorrow, Wednesday, right? So just double tap Wednesday. You can click the begin date, the end date. Let's double tap Wednesday to Wednesday up top. We're good. Save. For the equipment, don't even worry about the prices yet. We're still putting our filters in. Okay, if you mess up your filters, that could screw you. This is a crucial part. Flatbed. We're only talking about hot shots here. Okay. For me, my trailer's gonna be a little bit bigger, but anyways, auto carrier, if you want to bring a car. Dump truck. Flatbed air ride, if you have air ride system. Flatbed over dimensional. Sometimes you got to take an over dimensional load to get you out of somewhere bad. Flatbed step deck. Don't put flatbed step deck or van right under there, because it's just going to give you a bunch of van loads. I promise you. They don't really know what they were doing when they were putting all these. Maybe for dispatchers or something, because they have multiple trucks. I'm only looking for one type of truck. Flatbed with sides. Not really. Hot shot. Low boy. I've gotten those dozers. I put those dozers on my trailer. Those were calling for a low boy. RGN. I've taken a dozer that was listed under an RGN. Step deck with loading ramps. Step deck removable gooseneck. Step deck over dimensional loads. Sure.
Same thing, flatbed, van, or reefer. It's the same thing. It's just going to give you a bunch of van and reefer loads. All right, save. We're going through this quick, guys. Rate per mile, just leave that blank. Trailer options. I'm gonna have to get a mic for this camera. I am so sorry. The audio is probably horrible. Trailer options. Just don't do that. Okay, weight and length. Put your max weight. Mine is 28,000 pounds. Okay, I could probably carry a little bit more, but 28,000 pounds. Length. Put the length of your trailer. So mine's 53 feet. So I'm gonna put 57 because I'm allowed to hang 4 feet off the back. 57 feet. For a traditional 40-foot Hotshot, put 44 feet because you can fit 44 feet legally. Save. If something's 41 feet, then all of a sudden you're out of the game, no. Don't filter yourself out. Do not filter yourself out. Okay. Now, we're going anywhere. So we have Landstar. Let's click this first one, okay? Landstar Inc., $2,850, Colorado to Baltimore, Maryland. You click on it, it gives you literally, you get the load board, you can freaking book your own loads just like this. You click it and you click call, okay? Click call at the very bottom. That red button right there, okay? Click call. Call the broker, scroll down. It's going to have load notes. So you're going to expect a little bit of knowing what it kind of is before you even call them. Tarps, if you don't have tarps, don't even call them. 4-foot drop tarps. Must wear PPE, like a hat, glasses, stuff like that. And then it tells you the drop dates. So this is pick up Wednesday, drop on Friday in Baltimore or the next Monday. 27,000 pounds right up in the middle of the page, 46 feet in length, tells you the rate per mile. Double check that because if you go down to load notes and it says 2 drops, that rate per mile is going to be wrong. You're going to think it's good, but you didn't know you had to go out of the way for that second drop. So, little word of advice. You can click on the map and it will expand the map so you can kind of see, oh, okay, I'm going through Topeka. All right. So if there's a load maybe out of Denver or something, before I pop down here to pick this load up, maybe, I know it's 27,000 pounds. I'm just saying a hypothetical. You could get a partial going to Topeka and drop it on your way. That's why the map's kind of cool. You can zoom in. And it's not going to tell, it's just going to tell you like the city center of where you're going to go. That's not the exact address.
All right, guys. So I'm sitting here editing this video and I just couldn't take it anymore. I'm going to get you live footage from my camera of you seeing me book my loads. So you can see that it's not that hard. You guys can do it. You guys can do it. It'll take, a week of practice. You don't need to be fearful of it, especially once you see someone do it and you feel like, oh, I'm just communicating with a broker. I'm just trying to move their load. I'm trying to help them. They're trying to help me. That's all it is. So I'm going to leave the rest of anything booking loads related to tomorrow morning or whenever I book my next load, which I'm in Denver right now, so I'll definitely have to book a load tomorrow morning. Hopefully I can film that for us and post that. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you want to see those type of videos, and hit the like button if you guys want me to actually show you me booking loads with brokers, if that's something that you're interested in. I feel like it's important, but sometimes I think some stuff's important and not a lot of people liked it. So just let me know in the comments, guys. Thanks. I'll see you next time. Peace.